see, yeah, that one, you can probably do something, but that one's already like messed up, so I'm gonna just try to pull it. I don't think these ever been changed. I've been on here since the car been made, but I bought some new ones, so. So here I have the front. I ordered them like last week. Just something different. Even tells you which side it goes on, as you can see. So we're gonna try to pop that out. And normally you would get up in here and fucking, you know, well, the video I saw, I don't know what year the car was, but I know you got up in here. Actually, right here, you pop out a couple screws, I think there's one here, one here. I don't know if there's another one, I can't see. It might be, I don't know. Usually you pop this shit out. Yeah, that's like wiggle room. But luckily this one's already fucked up, so I'm just pull this one out. Yeah, it'll pop out like that. So I twisted out the bulb is out. This one is set up a little differently, so I'm gonna have to twist that off. Yeah, you wanna take the bulb out, the old one out. As you can see, this isn't like it needs to be anymore. I guess when I hit the side marker, when I hit the damn pothole, so I must have hit it hard enough. But so old bulb out. Technically don't want to touch these, but I'm not using it again, so I slid it out. I slid this in. I had a phone call. So as I was saying, normally don't want to touch these if you plan on using it again, because I think they're like, I'm trying to remember, like the oils from your hand and stuff can mess this up. I could be wrong, correct me in the comments if you want. So yeah, that's off. The new one is on, so now it's just push this back in. Let me peel this off. Peel off the new shit. I'm not really into name brand stuff, so you know, I ordered these off of eBay. That's all I'm gonna say. So hopefully I just slide this one in, push it in, and it should be a simple plug and play. I might have scratched it a little bit, but you're not gonna see that. So it should be a simple plug and play. It's in. There we go. Real nice. And it's darked out, so I like that. So let's see if this one works. For the back, it's gonna be a little different, because I think for the back I have to reach under the car, but it should be easier. This one looks like it's been cracked. I haven't hit anything since I bought the car, so it was obviously before I got it, but this one looks like it's been cracked. I don't know what happened right here. I haven't gotten that fixed. Not much worried about it. So the back should be easy. I should be able to reach under it and pop it out. So guess we'll find out. So I don't know if you can see that. So for this side, for the back, I'm trying to get it. So the clip, yeah, you can see it right there. So I have to, should be easier, just reach in and push it out, and it should pop right out. Remember I said it should pop out, right? So watch the side marker like that. Watch it. I put enough pressure. Shit is not. What the hell? Hold on. This again. God damn it. And try to remember what the hell is it. So if I push on the bottom, Might need a screwdriver for this shit. Only thing is trying to remember where this shit is at. Hold up. Shit. So we are back. And I did. So I got the driver's side front. Looks good. Yup. And I just popped out the passenger side. The same thing. Pop it out. What a light turn off. So I'm probably gonna do this last part, call it quits. Same shit. Twist it. Boom. That's off. Light bulb. Pull it out. And positive and negative side. So I'm gonna take a guess. Shit. Hold on. Alright. I ain't trying to break it. Now from this angle, y'all can be on witness if this motherfucker, if I did it right. And while I am, now you just slide that motherfucker in there, peel it off. Slide and press. Just like that. And as you can see, front's easy. Back's a pain in it, you know. Just like that, something brand new. Some slight do-it-yourself stuff. I got bored. Alright, we back. After a little difficulty, I would reach under it, but my strength all ain't good to reach under the Camaro and pull them out. Well, push it. I'm supposed to reach under, push this bitch in, push this in, and then, you know, like the other one I pulled it out, this one should be the same. You just wiggle it, come out like that. I really got nothing to hold the camera up. But as you can see, same old crap. Do a little twist motion. Come right off. Light bulb, don't need that. The new ones for the back. I don't know if you can see it, get it to focus. So this one got right, and this one got, see the focus, left. So I'm not gonna put the left on this side, I was gonna put the right. So, same old shiznit. Goddamn, see that right there? Take this, it's double-sided, so it don't matter. I think I said something about positive, negative earlier. Sometimes I don't know what I'm talking about. Press in. I ain't trying to break it before I use it. Hold up. I'm good for doing that. Messing up wire, you know, all that kind of stuff. So I gotta get it to fit into it, and just like that. And then I don't like to stick them in before I all the way before I know that it works. So I like to let them hang. Same goes for the other side, right? This one's a little more in there, so I don't know if it's the tight wiring or what, but same thing applies. Just twist, pull, come right off. Light bulb, I don't need that. Then we got the left side. Make sure, you know, get me right now, hold on. Get me right, left, okay, we good. I just can't stand pressing them in there. And we good, okay. Now the moment of truth. Crank it up, see if they work. See the finished product, let's go. Ooh, that motherfucker work. What? Alright, let's see what we talking about. Pull that thing out, yeah. So, as you can see, new crap, old crap. See how it's cracked and all that? Yeah, nah. Just gonna press that bad boy in there. Sticky else. I like to look better. I know I do a little damage to get that fucker in there. We might have some problems. Hold on. This one don't fit like the old one. It's not as easy as I did the front, but it should fit. Just know once I get these motherfuckers in there, they might not come out now. Press that. There's an extra rubber over here. What the hell is this? Where that came from? But press that. Let's see if we can press that in there. We might have an issue with the new shit. So I might have been wrong for taking out the old shit, but it don't look like it's fitting correctly. try to make it work anyway. Y'all know how I do. I like to make shit work that shouldn't work. Been there, done that. So there we go. Alright, we got the slidey. Elbow pretty good. Stop being a punk muscle. Let's see. Yeah, I like that. Peep that. Yeah, I like that's a clean look. You feel? I like that. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Alright, other side. Same story. Probably a little more difficult with this being dent right here. I'm trying to hold the camera in one hand. Yeah, okay, see, look at that. I know that sounds like it hurt. Just like that. Switched out, shot. No shit. Oh shit. I like this better. I dropped the light bulb. Not that it really matters. I might leave it in the trash. So yeah. Yes sir. We got the back. I need to clean my car. We got the front. Yes, sir.